Okay, for students who are looking for their classes for next semester, when they log into PowerSchool, if they scroll down to My Schedule, maybe, My Schedule, and they click on Matrix View, this will show them for semester 1 and semester 2, and it will have each of their classes. If they have any white areas or any white boxes, that indicates that they do not have a class for that time, and then they would need to make an appointment with me. In order to make an appointment with me, they would go to my website, frontenac249.org. They go to Students, FHS Counselor, and then make an appointment. And anything that is not grayed out, they can make an appointment with. And then they need to tell me on that area what classes they don't, what hours they don't have classes. Thank you.